Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain how to handle the error 0x8007016A. Clever name, huh? The cloud provider is not running, or 0x80071129. Tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid. It's pretty straightforward in that you really just have to do a check disk with a couple of switches on it to fix it. So let's show you what we're trying to do in our case. We have an old OneDrive account that apparently wasn't properly removed. And now the folder that it was using is screwed up. I can go into it and rename things, and I can delete some individual folders, but there's about 5 gig of stuff here that's just sort of locked. And if I try to delete it, it's going to come up with an error message. And if I try to use any of the normal command line things, like remove directory, rmdir, that kind of stuff, command line, PowerShell, whatever, I'm just going to get another series of error messages. So what I have to do is run the check disk. So let's do that. Right click on the start button and select Windows PowerShell admin or Windows CMD admin, to bring up a command line. Or if you're running a newer operating system, you will see Windows Terminal. Any of those are fine. And all you want to do is run CHKDSK /F for fix and /R for recover. And it's going to come up and say, well, we can't do this while it's running. That's why we're going to have to reboot. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Yes, I would. And then we just restart it. All right, so the check disk has completed and it found some problems, which is great. Let's just right click on the start button and go to PowerShell admin. We're going to run a couple of commands and I won't be shocked if these don't work. But if they do for you, you're done. Firstly, let's try to run a PowerShell command. Now, yours may come up when you right click, you might also see Windows Terminal admin. That's fine. Just make sure that inside Windows Terminal, it's running PowerShell. I just hate working in the Windows directory, just on principle. Just years of experience tell you not to be in there unless you're doing something, which is just fine. But we're not. We're looking at users. And so what we're looking for is remove -item. And you can press tab complete when you've started typing. Oops, not enough. There it is, remove item, space -path. And I use tab complete there again. And then quote C:\users, in my case user. And then the folder, and you use tab complete there as well. And I want to use space recurse space -force. There we go. Now I won't be shocked if this doesn't work, but let's find out. No, it's not going to work. That's disappointing. So if that works for you, you're good to go. But in my case, it didn't. What we have to do now is get into a command prompt and do a little Robocopy command, which is pretty straightforward. So we can just type in CMD. Boom, now we're in a command prompt. So let's just create a garbage folder. So I'm going to make directory crap with a K. And now we simply want to force Robocopy. We'll call this crap. There we go. And that's just an empty folder over top of our problematic folder. C, in my case, users, user, and you can use tab complete here as well. So there it is. And here is the key, /MIR, capital letters, and that's mirror. So that's going to take your brand new empty garbage folder and replace the dead folder. And now let's just go look at the problematic folder. Look at that, empty, yay. So now we can just delete away. Right click on that. You can do this through command line if you want, but you don't have to. Gone, yay. And I'm also going to get rid of the crap folder. Just because, well, it's useless. It was just an empty folder anyway. Boom! So that is how you fix the 0x8007016A tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid, which is also the same error message you get with the cloud provider is not running. So hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Just like subscribe. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or a comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, yeah, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a good one. Bye.